Hi, good morning, all of you. My name is Vikas Singha, and in today's video, we will learn about two things. Firstly, what is negotiation and how to do a effective negotiation. So let's start. So the meaning of negotiation is it's a discussion aimed at reaching to an agreement between two or more than two people. So, what is the benefit out of the negotiation? So, the benefit number one, it stables the business relationship between two entities. Second benefit, it avoids the conflict between the people. Third, very important, that it brings income to your business. So, these are the benefit for the negotiation. Now, let's understand what is the process for the negotiation, how it starts and how it ends. First of all, we have to ask the question to the customer and we have to probe. So, this is my first step. Step number one is this. Step number two, while after knowing or after probing, I'll do a need analysis of a customer. From that, I'll come across what exactly a customer is looking for and what is the best product I can offer him. Third step, that I will be highlighting and I'll be sharing the USP of my product. USP stands for a unique selling point. uh, the unique selling point of my product, I will be focusing towards that, and as well as it will I will be creating a brand value for my product as well. And the fourth and very important point, I will be highlighting and I will be focusing towards the value of my product, not on the pricing. Because if I will highlight the feature and the benefit of my product, it will be easy for me to sell that product rather telling the price. So, this way it will be easy for you to close that deal. If still is that deal is not getting close, I will share you some tips that will leads to a successful closure. So tip number 1, give a silence break and say to the customer, sir, this is an exclusive offer only for you, sir. Now this will leads to a customer will think of it, yeah, definitely if somebody is offering me, then there is a I'm having a good uh, offer for you. Apart from this, second more tip which I like to give you is that offer him a freebie. It means any customer who's buying a mobile phone, offer him a free of cost mobile cover. That will leads that customer will get delighted because he never thought of that he will be getting something FOC. But because you did the negotiation, and because of that, that deal is getting close. So these are the two tips by which we can successfully do a closure. Now, apart from this, what are the positive impression if you do a negotiation? The first thing is that you'll not leave the customer on a bad taste in his mouth. Why? Because you have already you have interacted in a very good manner, and apart from this, whatever the warm interaction you did, okay, that will be long lasting in customers' mind. It will influence the customer. And apart from this, if deal is not done, still you have promoted your product, you promoted your brand value, and the day the person or the customer will definitely remember you, and the next time he'll definitely make sure he'll be coming across to you and he'll buy that product from only from you. So that's it from my side. Thank you very much and happy selling.